Christmas music is so much fun to play, and having a few Christmas songs in your repertoire that you can pull out over the holidays is a great way to make your friends and family extra happy so that you can have your Christmas music sing-alongs. So I'm going to teach you today how to play Deck the Halls. It's a really fun song. I've notated it very simply. I've included chord names, so if you don't want to read the notes, you can just use this as a guide, play the chords, and sing along for yourself. But I'm going to be playing it through as written. So you'll see the music on the screen. You can download the music using the link below if you want to have it to print and practice at home. And we're just going to dive right in. So the melody of this song is going to begin on G. And I love how the first little section sort of stays within these first 5 notes of the C scale. So one of the great things about Christmas music is it's so familiar. So you kind of already know what it's supposed to sound like. So if you play a wrong note, you'll hear it. So we've got G, F, E, D, C, D, E, C. That's sort of our first phrase. And then we're going to go D, E, F, D, E, D, C. Now here's some fancy finger work. My 2 fingers are going to cross over to B, and then my thumb's going to take the C. It's really straightforward. Now the great thing is the next line of the song is exactly the same, so it repeats. C, F, E, D, C, D, E, C, D, E, F, D, E, D, C, B, C. So let's add in the left hand for that section. It's very simple. Again, most of it's lying right here in these first 5 notes of the C scale. So if you're in C position, you're set up for success. So we'll start with the 5th. We've got C and G at the same time. Then for our next measure, we've got E, F, G, E, G, C, E, D, E. Sounds weird on its own because the left hand's playing a harmony. So when you put it together, it sounds beautiful. It sounds like this. So pretty, right? Second line's exactly the same. So if you've learned that, you've got most of the song. Awesome. So the next bit of the song is a little bit different. So we've got D, E, F, D, E, F, G, D. It's not too bad, but here we're going to travel a little bit. So I'm going to go 3, 4, 5. I'm going to pick up my hand and I'm going to go A with my 3, B, C, B, A, G. There's no set in stone fingering for this. You can go with whatever feels most efficient for you. So you might choose to go with a tuck. Picking up your hand might be easier. Go with what feels good. Practice a few different ways and stick with what you like best. So that's the most complicated sort of moment in the song. And then the last line is nearly identical to the first 2. So before we get ahead of ourselves, let's get this left hand for this line sorted out. We've got a G and a G. Then 5 is on C. Another C. And we're going to reach up to A. Then G, F, E. Not so bad, right? Together it sounds like this. And then we're exactly how we started at the beginning. Reset your hands to C position. Here's our harmony. And now the little change. So my 5 finger here is going to hit A, G, F, E, D, C. It's really simple. My left hand plays an F, steps down to E, jumps up to G, steps to F, and then we end on a C chord. Together it sounds like this. So pretty and so simple. All together, without any pauses, here's how the song sounds. Simple, sweet, super traditional, so you've heard this before. Have fun learning it. Comment below with your favorite Christmas song and have a Merry Christmas.